are you? Sylvia here, and this is my CopyBlocks review. So we'll be checking out this cool software I have found on JVZoo, and I'm quite blown away by it. I'm very impressed with it, and that's why I'm promoting it, because I believe it's super cool, it's gonna do the job, and it will be very useful, but for whom? Right, so this software is your copy machine, not a copy machine, copywriter. It's gonna provide like copywriting services for you, and it will write all kinds of things, including like Facebook ads, kind of like headlines, Google ads, for a lot of like things for headlines, all of the things for the blogs, for websites, like a website, home, or the bio, or about, when you do the website and you write about, or like email content, and it's going to be very, very professional looking. So that's the cool thing about that. Now, it would be ideal, in my humble opinion, for professionals, guys. Okay, would be great for newbies too, if you like a bright newbie, so to speak. I mean, you know what I mean. Like, if you are like go get it, action taker, if you know what you want and you're very committed, you're ready to like commit, put in time and effort into whatever you're doing, you have a vision and plan in mind, sure, grab this, copy and use it as a freelancer, create like a profile on Fiverr.com and, list the services you offer, that you can write so many like professional looking, copywriting services for your clients, and it's very, very much in demand, and Fiverr.com is the marketplace to sell your services on, because it's hugely popular. Anyhow, but I'm just thinking it's like especially useful for professionals. For, let's say you have clients you've already like created websites for, right? And then you can contact them and you can offer them like, hey, I can write this and that to you. And thanks to that, you will be, your sales will increase, and like, because your content will be so professional looking and so much more engaging and, eye-catching. So, these are the services that are very much sought after these days. And also, if you are like a marketing agency as well, you could use it, because guys, with just the front end, the commercial is included, so obviously you can use it for your clients as well. So if that sounds something if that sounds like a product for you, you would benefit from, stick with me, guys. We'll be going through the sales page properly. I have the full demo for you guys, and I also have my bonus page. I attached the link to my bonus page below my video. Now let's go and check out the sales page. So what do they write? CopyBlocks first to JVZoo AI copy assistant app. Let the new Tesla bot write all the marketing copy for you and your clients. Very important, right? The commercial license is included. Using just a keyword. That's it. You will just type in the keyword, and this software will do the magic for you. You just select what kind of service you want. It's going to write it for you. You will see in the full demo how it works. Now, create and sell content for company profiles or websites, or here they say more like social media and all of that, without writing a single word yourself. Okay, and now here are some of the key features, benefits which come with this software. So let's just read through. Now, if you wish to check out the sales page properly, go ahead, guys. Via my bonus page, you will get to the sales page, and you can read through it. It's a no-nonsense sales page. I love the sales page because they give you the information you really need to make an educated decision. They're not trying to brainwash you that you will make this and this and this, this and this and this. I went crazy. This and that amount of money in 30 seconds, 60 seconds, 1 minute. Come on, give me a break. This is, I mean, that's what I love about this software. Is that it's a software, it's a cool software which works, will do the job for you. If this is for you, get it because it's quality. Okay, simples. Okay, I don't like to, sugarcoat anything, guys. So excuse my direct style, but this is me. Hey, now, okay, they say instant generate profitable and high converting marketing copy in seconds. One click translate your marketing copy into over 120 plus languages. Imagine that. Okay, save money and time. 200 times cheaper than professional writers and 500 times faster than humans. Yeah, well, it's robots, right? At something they may be better, but we are the people. Anyhow, easy to use, no coding or writing skills required. Create 100% original, plagiarize free content. I hope I pronounce it well. Each time you click on generate, sell more with the built-in feature, benefit converter engine, total control over the tone of your marketing copy to match your brand's voice. How cool is that? And then free commercial lies included to help you start your own professional copy house. Okay, I already mentioned that. I love it. You can use it for your clients too. Okay, and this is, guys, the kind of content it's going to create for you. I mean, look how lovely that looks, how professional. All those like underlines, the circle things. It's so much like, more like, it's really proper, and people will love that. This kind of, stuff, this kind of content, this kind of like professional service. Okay, and on the sales page, again, you can go through all of the information via, and on the sales page via my bonus page. We'll be checking out my bonus page, which is really more like an information page because I'm not crazy about bonuses, guys. I focus on reviewing a product and I am very, very selective as to what product I pick to review because I do not want to be promoting any BS products, any fast money, make money, super money, quick money. No, I don't believe in that. That's why I don't like, I don't want to promote that sort of things. Anyhow, but this software is beautiful. It's going to do the job. It's going to be, obviously, if this is for you, okay? It does not promise you to make money fast. You have to have a vision and a plan in mind, and you need to know how to bring also traffic, whether you will be running Google ads, Google ads, maybe this as well, but it's mainly for email marketing, but like YouTube ads, Facebook ads, if you have your own YouTube channel, I don't know what source of traffic you would be using, but it's great professional. So if you already have a brand, if you already have huge following or loads of clients, it is just going to take your business to another level. It will help you, the software. Okay, guys, I'm kind of like going through the sales page, but I have already kind of discussed all of that. The main features, what the main features. Here they show you what you can write with it, but you will see all of that in demo. I just want to show you the bonuses. They are like right at the end of the sales page. So if you pick up just the front end, I believe it's $47. We'll be going through the prices in a second. They will also give you a bunch of bonuses, like really cool stuff, like tutorials, and there's like mentorship group, and here is like a comparison chart as well. They compare this software to another softwares that do the same job, but they have fewer features but are more expensive than this one. So I guess it's a no-brainer to pick up CopyBlocks if that's something you've been looking for. Anyhow, let's see what kind of bonuses they have to offer. Okay, so here we are. The bonus number 1 is free commercial license. Okay, as I already said, you can use it for your clients. And then bonus number 2 would be, let's scroll up, that would be okay, weekly webinar coaching and mentorship trainings. Amazing that they don't leave you on your own, but they provide this kind of like help, support for you. Bonus number 3 is copywriting agency accelerator training. Beautiful. Bonus number 4 is 1 year private mentorship with Dr. Ifyok. I believe that's how you pronounce his name. I love his product. So Dr. Ifyok is the guy behind his product, and he releases some like really mind-blowing, softwares on JVZoo. He promotes them on JVZoo always. Anyhow, bonus number 5 is SFO webinar replay vault, so you can access those webinars and the replays. And then bonus number 6, unlimited one-to-one customer success call via Zoom. Beautiful. Alright, so let's check out my bonus page, which is more like an information page, guys. I have put a lot of info for you on this bonus page, and here are all of the upsells with the front end at $47 at the moment. So I have put, you see, all of the contents, like you will be able to write with the software, so that's what is included. And again, guys, I will not be reading out all of that to you. You can just check out my bonus pages below my video, click on the link, and go through it properly, educate yourself, watch the demo properly before you decide to purchase it. Okay, so make an informed decision. And you also all of the stuff, the bonuses, the Skype group, the mentorship and group calls you get just inside the front end. Here are the upsells. Upsell number 1, unlimited $97 for 1 year. So everything unlimited, copies, projects, downloads, all of that. Upsell number 2 is Pro. The Pro is for another Pro. It's for $67. So more copy categories you will be able to write. Upsell number 3 is agency for $47. Here's all you can get with it. And upsell number 4 is digital marketing agency success package for $67. Here are all of the features you're getting, guys. And upsell number 5 is the white label. So you can basically, it becomes your product. You can do with it whatever you want. You can sell it wherever you want. You can rebrand it. You can add it, customize, change everything and sell it as your own product. And it's amazing. And you get 100% commission across the whole funnel, obviously. And here's some bonuses. That's why I call it that's why I call it a bonus page, but it's not really a bonus page because I don't focus on bonuses in my reviews, but on delivering, the best review I can possibly make, and just give you guys as much as advice as, as I can deliver, to my current knowledge and understanding. So I do my best. And here's all of the bonuses, guys. And if you wish to pick it up, you just smash this from me. If you wish to buy it from me, you just smash this, click here to secure a copy and your bonuses. You will be then redirecting the purchase. Sorry, I can't find it. Yeah, this one. Get started here with CopyBlocks now. And you will access this product on JVZoo platform. And what's really, really cool, you get all of the tutorials, guys, the training, and they don't you're not on your own. You have help, you have support. It's amazing, it's invaluable. So because getting the product is one thing, it can be the most amazing product does the job, but at some point you may get stuck, you may be in the gray area, there's something you may be unsure about, especially as a newbie, right? So it's amazing to get that support. Okay, guys, my CopyBlocks review. I will play the full demo for you now. Don't turn off. Don't leave me now. Watch till the end. Watch that video, and you will see how superb the software is. It's super simple. You know, it's best if you watch this demo. It's just like 3 minutes long, and they explain very well. I could not explain any better, and I will not pretend to be like some kind of expert here and try and explain any better than the guys who have actually created the video. Okay, but from my end, it's good to go. And guys, like, let's see, and let's check out the demo now. Let's see if I can find it, and hopefully it will play well. It won't be breaking up. Okay, I'll say bye for now, and I'll try and play the video. Okay, so stick with me, guys. It should be playing soon, don't worry.
Welcome to CopyBlocks. In this demo, I will show you a new and revolutionary AI technology previously only available to tech stars like Elon Musk and big corporations like Apple. Now you too can get powerful passive income by starting a 6-figure copywriting agency, even if you have zero experience, technical, or writing skills. Let's say you have a client who needs copy to sell this to small businesses. Using CopyBlocks, now create copy and content for this client and get paid in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Enter product name and description. Step 2. Select the type of copy and tone. Step 3. AI writes 100% original copy. The AI will use this information to write all original copy. The AI will use this information to write all the copy and content you need in less than 60 seconds. Unlike other tools in the market, CopyBlocks uses real artificial intelligence and not outdated fill-in-the-blank templates. The AI can turn a simple agent. It's experienced, it's fast, and with it, there is no need to hire expensive and time-wasting copywriters and freelancers. CopyBlocks gives you total control over your copy. You can set the tone of your copy and even translate it in over 100 languages in just one click. Here's what you can generate in just a few seconds using CopyBlocks. General ad copy. Facebook primary text. Facebook headlines. Facebook link descriptions. Google headlines. Google descriptions. Website headline. Website subheadline. Product description. Product pitch. Blog post ideas. Blog post titles articles. Blog listicles titles. Blog post intros and outline. Turn bullet points to blog. Turn bullet point to paragraph. Sales copy based on proven copywriting formulas like pass, pain, agitate, solution. Pain, gain, claim. ADA, attention, interest, desire, action. Feature to benefit. Before, after, bridge. Feature advantage benefit. And quest sales copies. And even value proposition. Company motto. Company mission. Company bio. Personal bio. And so much more. Built-in advanced frameworks like ADA and PAS ensure that your copies always resonate with the audience, as they are based on proven techniques of customer behavior and persuasion. A content improver to rewrite your previous copies for better conversions. CopyBlocks is going to help your clients write high-converting ads, sales pages, blogs, and other such content that is crucial for the survival and growth of their business. And the best part, the free commercial license that's included turns CopyBlocks into a money-making machine for your clients, because they can now sell copywriting services across the globe and get paid for something that's 100% automated for them.